Man, we've just been on a great tour of a property on the Arkansas River. It's TNC property. Saw some lesser prairie chickens this morning, so couldn't be better. Just want to make sure that people know about the Kansas Grazing Lands Coalition. We're out there trying to educate ranchers, tell them the best practices out there, show them, take them on tours. It's a great organization. We need a few more board members, so if you're interested, look at our website. It's a rancher-led organization. It's people getting out on the landscape. It's not people sitting in the office telling you what to do. You go out and see what people are doing. And there's huge differences in how ranchers handle their property, and they can easily make some small changes that helps their bottom line. So that I'm in it to get out and see how the neighbors are doing it. One of the biggest things that KGLC did is 7 or 8 years ago, got in line with the NRCS and hired a couple really good guys to help putting fire back on the landscape, safely putting fire back on the landscape, or make it as safe as we can. Every fire you light, it's always scary. You'll never get over that. You might get comfortable with it, but there's always that fear, and that's a good thing. But Jess has written hundreds of burn plans across Kansas, and the only economical way to maintain these grasslands is with timely use of fire. Maybe once in 20 years in western Kansas to once in 5 years in eastern Kansas. But we've got to put fire back on the landscape.